everybody, welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. This is your second drill out of 5. Practice this if you have felt confident in the first drill and you want to advance to something a little bit more difficult. Let's go. In this drill, you will begin with striding forwards and then you will T-stop. You will continue to stride forwards and then you will transition to backwards skating. You will end your backwards skating with a backwards toe stop. Here is the slower version of the drill completely together. Here is the sped up, full speed version. Drill number 2. Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Take these drills and practice them. They will help you get better. If you want to support me, I have some awesome new stickers in my Etsy shop. And most importantly, cheers to the queers!